Good morning, I'm Jason Martin, Northeast Sales Rep for Stingray Boats. I'd like to go over this 192 side console that we have in our fleet. I would like to start with the bow of the boat. The first thing I'd like to show you is the front boarding ladder. This is a popular option, especially when you're pulling up to the beach and you could get out and board off the front instead of the back. So it's a very good option. It has a very good storage spot in there and a large deck for you to be able to play off of as well. Moving back a little bit, the option of the bow filler cushion. This is an option for this boat, so that gives you a wide area to lay out while you are on the water. I'd like to also mention that there is storage underneath each one of these seats, along with an optional live well underneath the first pad of the bow filler seat. Moving back towards the helm, we do have a trash can that's available here. Right below it is also a fire extinguisher holder to keep that out of the way and allow for more storage. You have a freshwater sink here. You have a 4-speaker Fusion stereo system that comes with this boat, 11 cup holders, 4 rod holders. You have an optional bimini with bimini canvas. It is powered by a Yamaha 150, can be powered by Suzuki and pre-rigged with Mercury. Another standard of this boat is the igloo cooler that is stored up underneath the helm that is actually in its track, so there's not a lot of moving around when the boat is in motion. Another thing I'd like to talk about is the bolster seat. The bolster seat is good for whenever you are sitting here and you need to get up and over to look at your whoever you're towing, your skiers or your tubers. Have plenty of room in here, storage underneath all the seats. We have seagrass flooring that is optional as well. Underneath the seagrass flooring, you also have plenty of storage under here in your in-floor ski storage. Since we're back here at the back of the boat, I'd like to open up these battery trays back here that are removable for additional storage and easy access to your batteries. With your batteries, we have also installed a battery power switch. So when you are done at the end of the day, to make sure that none of your power is left on your boat, you can turn that battery switch off and it kills all power, saving your battery life. Coming to the back, we also have a telescoping 4-rung ladder that has easy access in and out and stores right there on the back of the boat. Along with it, we have a removable ski tow pylon that can be used for tubing and skiing that can be removed if need be. For more information about this product, go to stingrayboats.com. Thank you.